Okay, pulling into the Smith's gas station here in Park City, because this says I only have 31 miles left to empty. Let's take a look at the stats. 1,960 miles even total per the upper left-hand corner. I got 708.2 miles on this trip. My last little bit of driving was all electric. 31 miles to empty, and I'm averaging 34 miles per gallon overall for the 1,900 miles. So that's between city and highway driving. That is about 3 miles less than Ford says the EPA rating is supposed to be. That's 37 combined. So I'm still very happy with that. What doesn't make sense to me is I have to push the fuel gas release button to pop the fuel cover. On my turbo version, this button doesn't exist. It's a push button. I'm sorry, it's a push-in fuel cover. No button inside is needed. So I'm not sure why it's different, but it is. So I'm right by the ski areas at a gas station here in Park City. And there is the price for mid-grade in Utah. That's 88. So it is an easy fuel, no gas cap. Push it back closed. Okay, now just pulling into the Smith's grocery next door to the gas station. Electric driving mode. And there's the mountains. Right there are the Olympic ski jumps from the 2002 Winter Olympics, where the ski team still does its training to this day. U.S. ski team. It's the headquarters. Some more sign of the times. Nobody wants to work. Nobody wants to work.
I know it. That's not bad, is it?
Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Check this out. These trees are insane. Just beautiful. The blue sky behind them. Thanks for watching.